Okay, here's a quick note on travel adjust. This is my nut ball that when I built I really liked, but I didn't fly it a whole lot because it had a problem. It's a rudder elevator throttle setup, so of course it's using the right stick, the aileron control, and as you can see it got barely any kind of pull to the left and a whole lot of pull to the right. So it was really hard to control in the air. Yeah, if you've seen a nut ball or a video of a nut ball fly, you know that it's constantly kind of rocking back and forth and twisting around, and having the uneven throws would made it really hard. But it turns out if you have any kind of programmable radio, what you can do is you can go to the travel adjust menu, and here you can see on the aileron it says the 100%, and you see the left arrow. That's because the stick is pushed to the left, and if you push to the right you'll see that now that arrow switched to the right. There's left, right. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but basically you could adjust any of these settings depending if your stick is to the left or to the right. So we need to really increase that a lot in the left direction. So we're going to click the select there, push it to the left, and you can see if we can dial that all the way down to 0, in which case the left stick has no input at all, and we can increase it up to 100%, and then we're going to go past all the way up to 125, and that gives a pretty fair amount of control to the left. Now to the right is still doing a lot more than it should, so what we're going to do is we're just going to hold the stick all the way down to the right and then move that. We'll try about 65, and we can see that's almost, if we turn that down just a tiny bit, maybe 62. So we could measure it, but just by eyeball now you can see we've fixed the problem of the uneven throws on the rudder. And so anyways, that's done with the travel adjustment, and just about all radios, programmable radios, will have a feature like that. So I hope that helps you out.